Hello my dear lovely students, welcome all of you to English class. In the previous class, we have read about the SGP1 and SGP2, in which we have learned how the thief planned to steal a horse from the king's stable and how the tiger planned to eat the thief's face. We have also learned that when the thief rode the tiger, it became terribly afraid. When the day dawned and the thief came to know that he was riding a tiger, he became terribly afraid. But today, in this English class, we will read the SGP3. Okay. The thief got down from the tree. He was very afraid. He was also tired. So he slept under the tree like a dead man. After some time, a wolf saw him while it was passing that way. It became happy. He thought the man to be dead. It said to himself, "What a good luck today. This dead man will last me more than a week. But someone should help me to drag the dead body." Here, last means continue to stay. Drag means to pull by force. Then the wolf went in search of another animal. It met the same tiger in the forest. There it said to the tiger, Mr. Tiger, will you please help me to drag a dead body? I will give half of it to you." The tiger was suspicious after the night's experience. It asked, "Are you not going to cheat me? Are you not going to cheat me? Won't you run away, leaving me alone?" The wolf suggested, "We will tie each other with a rope." Here, suspicious means a doubtful condition, feeling that something is wrong. Cheat means deceive. And leave means to give up. And suggest means to give opinion. Then the wolf and the tiger tied each other with a rope and went to the dead man carefully. At that time, the thief got off and came to hear their footsteps and shouted, "What, tiger, you have come again?" Seeing the thief, the tiger got frightened. Dragging the wolf, it ran as fast as it could. The poor wolf died. Here, footstep means the sound of a person's step. At last, since that day, the tiger promised not to desire for human flesh again. Here, desire means want. The thief was happy too. From that day, he gave up stealing. I hope you must have understood the last part of the story well. So, I want to ask some questions. Okay? First question. My first question is, Why did the thief fall fast asleep? Why did the thief fall fast asleep? Who can say? Yes. Answer. The thief fell fast asleep because he was afraid and tired. Okay. Then second question. My second question is, who saw him? What was his plan? Who saw him? What was his plan? Who can say? Yes. Answer. A wolf saw him. He planned to drag him as his food for a week. Last question. The last question of this class is, what did he want the tiger to do? What did he want the tiger to do? Who can say? Yes. Good. Answer. He wanted the tiger to help him drag the thief's body into the forest. Okay? Class is over. Thank you.